Okay, now we need another one over here.
Did you want to do that? You want to do that?
We're going to do the same thing, and then we're going to make legs and eyes. What color eyes do you want? Sophie can cut your eyes out. That sounds terrible. Sophie can cut the eyes out.
Do you like to train tracks? Do you like to do train tracks?
Nola. Green. You want green eyes? She's been on that one.
Aha.
Finally got the courage to get up and get it.
All right, kiddo. Pull the string through again. There you go. Pull the string. Those two. Pull. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Pull both of them. Cool. There we go.
Here, start building it over here.
I want that balloon.
Well, Callie has them right now. You gotta find some other balloons. There's balloons on the floor. Look, Bradley. I want those. Okay, let's see if we can get this bead through. Okay, pull it. No, here, pull it this way. Do that. Pull. Pull hard. Pull it. Okay, that's one foot. That one won't fit on there. We tried to do the skinny ones. They don't work. All right, and then let me see. That purple one, you can put it through there. Oh wait, let me unfold this line. And then you can put it through, and then you have two on each. That'll work too. The legs will be heavier, and the legs will look like they move like more real bird legs. Yep. Okay, let's see if it goes through. All right, and you have green eyes. And purple legs. And then I think that's it for the beads, kiddo. We've got the beads. And then okay, we need to put some feathers on it. Ooh, that looks cool. Those colors are a good choice.
Isn't that cute?
I got these balloons.
All right. Let's get this puppet things on. Huh? I was helping Nola make her puppet. There you go. You hold it from the sticks up here.
Oh my goodness. You did a good job.
A birdie bird.
Yeah, that's a birdie. It sure is.
You did that. Very nice job. See how he looks like he's walking? Watch.
Put your head on.
If you hold him up here by the sticks,
We still didn't
You can
find
go
a
like
lid for
this.
one.
and it looks like he's moving. And you move him slow, and it looks like he's walking. He's dancing. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a boy. Yeah. Oh, just a couple legs. There you go. And then you need some white feathers.